Welcome folks. In today's video, I would be showing you the beautiful Grand Canal Square, which is one of the famous tourist spots at Dublin. I would covering 3 different views of the Grand Canal Square, starting from Ringsend Road, then from Hanover Quay and some beautiful top views and time lapses. Right now we are walking along the Ringsend Road to enter the Grand Canal Square. This is called the McMahon Bridge. The newly rebuilt McMahon Bridge over the Grand Canal Dock at Ringsend Road was officially opened by the Lord Mayor, Councillor Paddy Bork on Friday 30th of May 2008. Apart from its historical significance, this bridge is a crucial link in the traffic management of the city, carrying up to 16,000 vehicles per day and is vital to the operation of the Southport. Now we are going to enter the Grand Canal Quay. This entire area has been nicknamed Silicon Docks as it has become a popular location for multinational technology firms such as Google, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Airbnb. Up ahead is the Red Stixx Dublin. The €8 million project consists of red resin glass paving that extends into the water, dotted with illuminated red poles. Tourists flock to click pictures with the red poles. This area is called the Grand Canal Square. The Board Gais Energy Theatre is an iconic architectural landmark designed by a world-renowned architect, Daniel Libeskind. In Libeskin's words, the theatre overlooks a public plaza. Like a grand outdoor lobby, the plaza invites the public to view the soaring glass facade of the theatre, much like a glass curtain, which tilts back in space in diagonal pleats. The public can gaze into its Pyrenean interior of horizontal ramps and diagonal pilotes. Now let's walk from Hanover Quay towards the McMahon Bridge. Let's check out some top views and time lapses of the Grand Canal Square. Thanks folks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.